In this video, we'll be walking you through how to view your student account balance and make payments. We'll also talk about payment plan options and what are available. First, let's talk about when payment plans are due. All fall enrollment payments are due on July 15th. All spring enrollment payments are due on December 15th. Our office is aware that paying your account balance in full is not always possible. Peace offers several payment plans to pay your balance in monthly installments. In order to make a payment, you first need to log into PacerNet and select For Students. And then select Student Accounts and then the Finance Portal. In the Finance Portal, you can see whether there are charges on your student account or not. Once charges hit your account, there will be payment plans available for you to choose from. For fall students, you can expect to have charges listed by June 1st. The Finance Portal is also where you would need to go to pay your balance, which is due July 15th for fall students. If you are a student or a family member might be covering your payment for your education, there's an alternate way of making a payment without going into the Finance Portal. In order to do this, the guests can go to williampeace.info/student-accounts and select Guest Payment and follow the instructions. Please make sure that your guest or family member will have your 6-digit Pacer ID number to make this payment. Our office is always here to help you if you need any additional assistance or if you have any other concerns regarding your account. You can always email us at studentaccounts@peace.edu. Thank you.